What's up? Episode 2 of passing the Topstep evaluation, or Topstep Funded Trader Combo Camping, whatever they call that, right?
Uh-oh, retard alert!
I did make some money this morning. This was a pre-market play. As you could see on the chart, I'm going to show you guys in the chart pretty much where I entered. It's a pre-market play right there. I believe I got out on a 3-to-1, and of course my P&L reflects that. I'm up $1,220 in 2 days. If that was real money, that's nothing to frown at. As a trader, you jump in, you get excited, euphoric. I'm gonna be rich. That's not the name of the game. The name of the game is wealth and or a multiple stream of income. I do have some rules for my entry. Of course, we have our Excel alert. Now, why did this trade pan out? Because we have something called the Pretty Lady. We renamed her Athena because Pretty Lady sounded sexist, apparently. Let's see if I give a damn. We go ahead and we see that we get price action break away from the EMAs and just casually follow the trend. But why don't we take this trade? We don't take the trade, guys, because what we still see here is RSI is weak. It's weak as hell. That Viagra pill just wore out, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, what we also see is MACD very much extended, way below zero. If we look at the signal lines and the MACD line, it's more than -2. That's something you need to consider when we gauge price action and its momentum and its relative strength alongside with RSI. Now, RSI needs to be above 50. What a lot of people don't understand is that RSI is a trend indicator. And as you can see, it is well below 50. Super exhausted. Now, what a lot of traders will do is say, oh, it's oversold, I need to buy. Here's the problem here. We have all of our EMAs trending down. We have our 13, our 24, and our 48. Of course, we have our proprietary ribbon here. This is letting me know the general trend on average. I'm looking to make money today, but I will only make money in an actionable situation. This is where you get messed up all the time. You take a trade when it's not an actionable moment. What we've tried to do here at Trade 1348 is help you identify the actionable moment. And in our system, what we attempt to do is alert you with Smart Excel. We illustrate the best entries and exits at that moment in time, so you are not busy chasing candles. What tends to happen when you chase the candle is, oh, it's going down. I'm gonna hold, I'm gonna make some money, I'm gonna hold. No, it went against me. And then you just get burned, and so you end up experiencing what we call trader fatigue. Of course, we see another example where we bounce. This would be considered a scalp. If you're looking to scalp, you know your time in the trade this small. You have to respect the EMAs. This is non-negotiable. We used the 13 to 24 and the 48 because, well, we got academics that says 13 and 48 is the most profitable EMA crossover. Of course, we used the 200 as our guiding light. We have a little rule here. Below the 200, your buys to puts. Above the 200, your buys to calls. And what we found was we finally broke below that 200. If you had the balls of steel, you would have managed to go ahead and hold all the way down. But that shouldn't really matter. You see, upon entry, a stop should have been set, and our trade designs provide that stop. We're going to use draw historical designs on every candle so we could see where our stop was. So as you could see on this trade design, you had your entry, your stop was at 47.97. You were able to trade this comfortably without having to move your stop. And then you would have woke up, multiplayer is addictive. Anybody play Call of Duty and then realize that you're a 40-year-old man just getting snuffed by a 13-year-old? And we could see our stop was here at 47.83, comfortably brought you all the way down to a 3-to-1. And yeah, 200 a month is too expensive, Gabe. It's too expensive for your system. No, it's not. You're making that in one trade. Take 2 or 3, 4 trades with a 60% win rate, and you're solid. I want you guys to understand something here. The market is trending down. What we have done with Excel is pretty much kept you away from doing the stupidest shit in the world. I'm going to hunt the reversal, meaning you're speculating. Again, a lot of traders go, it's oversold. Well, it can stay oversold, my friend. In summary, you want to trade with the trend, and that's what we do here at Trade 1348. Now you tell me $200 a month at Trade 1348 is not good enough. What I'm attempting to do is pass this challenge here, and I will tell you there are some things that sort of kind of freak me out, and it's a double-edged sword. But let me get right into it. That double-edged sword, you're attempting to make money, but you're super conscious of drawdown, right? Me managing my own port, I trade with a lot more than 2 contracts, a lot more than 15 contracts. I play NQ, sometimes with 25, 50, 100 contracts. My port size allows it, but my port size also allows me to weather the retracement so that my thesis can be right. With prop firm challenges, you're not afforded that opportunity. You have to be disciplined and rigid. And you know what? I don't have a problem with that. A lot of you guys are trading with small money. In the case of Topstep, $150,000 account, you have a $4,500 drawdown, which is really your portfolio size. $4,500 drawdown, I'm up $1,000. That means I'm up over 20% on the port. When you start thinking about it in those terms, things start to get really, really interesting. That's it, guys. Now, follow the trend. As you can see, Excel, Smart Excel has kept you in the trend. What got in your way is probably your emotions. And this is something we teach in our community to stay out of your way. Anyone watching this video, just make sure you don't chase. Don't chase this. Wait for the market to give you a better signal. That's all I have for you today. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications, comment down below. Signing out. Peace.